Hello, I'm Melissa.
And I'm Indah, and we are from the Mill Park Clinic. Today, we'll be demonstrating a few exercises from the Sheffield Regime principles.
These exercises are commonly used in the rehabilitation stages following an elbow fracture.
Rehabilitation isn't just about doing exercises, it's about progressing them at the right time. Using principles from the Sheffield Regime, rehab is guided through structured stages to safely restore movement, strength, and function. Stage 1 is progressing elbow range of movement. The focus is on restoring movement and reducing stiffness through controlled, pain-free range of motion. Stage 2 is strengthening. Once movement improves, strengthening begins, starting with isometric exercises and progressing to controlled movement through range to build stability and support around the joint. Stage 3 is dynamic and functional strengthening. In the later stages, exercises become more dynamic and functional, focusing on power, endurance, and neuromuscular control to support return to sport and everyday activities. Each stage plays an important role in recovery. Progressing too quickly or not enough can impact outcomes. If you're unsure where you're at in your rehab, our team can help guide you.